How can I believe when nothing seems to change? The answer is simple, but it requires practice. You must exercise faith the same way you exercise a muscle. Choose a biblical promise of provision, such as, "The Lord will supply all my needs." Every day, declare it out loud. Visualize that provision happening. Imagine yourself paying your debts calmly. Imagine having enough abundance to help others. Imagine the peace that comes with it. This is not fantasy, it's spiritual training. Faith is not about denying reality, but about standing before it with the certainty that something greater exists. Have you noticed that when you worry about money, everything seems to go wrong? It's as if you attract even more problems. That's not a coincidence. Studies in psychology show that your emotional state directly affects your financial decisions. People who cultivate hope and confidence tend to make more strategic choices. They see opportunities where others see only obstacles. Faith creates that inner disposition to see the invisible. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in extreme poverty and suffered abuse, and had no visible path to success. Yet she fed the vision daily that she was destined for something greater. Her story is living proof that believing before seeing is a powerful sign of wealth. If she had limited herself to the reality she lived, she would never have become one of the most influential women in the world. On the other hand, how many people spend their whole lives waiting to believe only when everything goes right? People who say, "If I find a good job, then I'll believe. If one day I win the lottery, then my life will change." And yet, that day never comes, because the order is reversed. You must first believe, and then you will see. That is the logic of Abraham, of Job, of Scripture, and of Bob Proctor himself. So, here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, choose one biblical promise of abundance. Every day, visualize that promise being fulfilled in your life. It doesn't matter if your reality hasn't changed yet. Write down 3 signs of provision you can recognize. They might be small, someone offering help, an unexpected opportunity, even a simple discount at a store. These details begin to train your mind to notice what once went unseen. And the more you see, the more you strengthen the faith that provides in advance. Because ultimately, true poverty is not the lack of money. It's the lack of vision. And true wealth is not a full bank account. It's the faith that already behaves as if abundance were inevitable. That's how it was with Abraham, with Job, and with Bob Proctor. The question is, will it now be the same with you? In Scripture, there's a principle repeated countless times. True wealth is not only in accumulating, but in knowing how to give and recognize what you already have. Jesus said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." And Paul advised, "In everything, give thanks." Generosity and gratitude walk together as 2 signs of wealth that open space for more abundance. When someone gives, even a little, they show trust that there will be enough tomorrow. And when someone gives thanks, even for little, they transform lack into abundance. That's why so many remain trapped, because they hold on to the little they have out of fear of losing it, and forget to be grateful for what they already possess. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.